specific to your hair, but then if we just bear in mind that, I mean, your body, your scalp, all of those things are part of your body, and you need to keep them healthy. And food is like the biggie, 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 the big one. So I strongly believe. And then the more, I mean, everyone is really different, and then but then food plays a really big role, because then you want to be bringing in the nutrients, especially for us who are no oil free formers. I mean, you want to bring in those nutrients, just naturally into the body. I think that in a way, we pay too much attention to the externals, you know, and lose sight of the internals, which would produce you that goodness, which would produce you that sebum that you need in the right proportions, you know, and the vitamin E's and everything you get from your food and fruits and avocados and stuff. I mean, so I'm a big believer and promoter of, yes, that food. I do agree that food plays a big role.
Awesome.
Yes, as long as you stay in balanced. I know that, I think that sometimes we worry too much also at the other extreme, that, oh no, we had a little bit of sweets, we had those cakes and stuff and whatever. I think at the end of the day, it's just a balance. If we are happy, you know. Um, and I was just
Exactly.
watching a program yesterday about how much our environment fashions our DNA and everything, So once you're in that happy environment, you're feeling free, you're feeling good, you're doing your thing, and then you're putting in you're trying to balance out your diet as much as possible. Why not? I mean, you get the best of everything else.
That's right.
Yes,
That's right. I agree
exactly.
too. Totally, 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 totally. You couldn't
Yes,
have said it any better. You could not have said it any better. And that's what I rely on mostly for the, well-being and growth of my whole entire being, including what's on my head. Um,
yes,
because my hair is fine, because it's very tender, it's very fragile, and because I'm using less topically, I rely more internally, in terms of my intake of water has to be good. I don't overdo it, but
yes.
I would not lie. I do eat biscuits every now and again, and I don't have a sweet tooth. Sometimes I want to eat some nasty stuff. I want to go to the fast food restaurant and say, you know what? I
I
haven't
mean,
eaten fast food for the whole year. I'm just gonna go
right,
and stuff my face
of
with some fast
course.
food, and now deal with it. But you won't see me there again for another 6 months or year. So, but I'm going to do what makes me happy for that moment. I want to be part of what everybody else might be doing on a regular, only I'm going to do it once in a big blue moon. So we
Yes,
shouldn't beat ourselves up and become this expert. If you can and you can stick to it, stick to it. But we are humans after all, and sometimes we fall by the wayside. So we shouldn't beat ourselves up about becoming some nizim, some nizim, whatever the
that's
nizim
right.
is. Okay.
That's right. That's right. I agree
So
fully. Life is, you just have got to enjoy life. I mean,
that that is it. Anyway, Manuel, how have you found it today? How have you found catching up today?
no, it was great. It was great. I mean, it gave me an opportunity to plunge back
Yeah.
and then to reinforce my steps on this journey, this wonderful free form journey. So it was a great one. And I thank
Thank
you
you.
really for putting me on this one. And I enjoyed this more than you did.
Thank you for being a great sport. And even though you kept coming in and going out, you still carried on and came back, and we've carried on. So have a wonderful festive holiday. Enjoy your
Thank
holiday
you.
time. And
You too.
yeah, much blessings. Thank you for joining, and I'll catch you up. I don't think there's any more questions. There's just people saying hi and saying hello and just sharing, one or two things. So I think we've pretty much answered all the questions. Okay.
By the way, will you have some fufu? Will you have some fufu this season?
Who, me?
Yeah, whether it's the yam, fufu, or I don't know, whatever it is,
I'm
pounded
going to be
yam.
when I cross to the other side. That's what I'm going to be eating. When I cross to the other side very soon, I'm going to definitely be looking for some of that, Emmanuel. All right, then. Catch you
All
soon.
right. Catch
Okay,
you
then.
too.
Thank you so
Bye.
much. Bye.
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 Stay
Bye. Bye.
locked.
Bye. All right. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining us. We appreciate you being in the house. Thank you so much for your patience with us. And yeah, until the next one, if you do want to be a guest or you want me to be a guest on your channel, please do feel free. send me a message here on Nonconformist Eyewear. Until next time, catch you later. Bye.